Egypt's Giza pyramids stand as timeless marvels. They are ancient stones whispering tales from millennia's long past. These colossal structures, weathered yet resilient, have intrigued many a great mind, including the innovative genius of Nikola Tesla. His unsettling theories about the true nature of the pyramids have added a layer of intrigue to these architectural wonders. Nikola Tesla, though largely overlooked during his lifetime, is now held as a very significant contributor to modern technological advancements. His radical ideas have shaped the core of our contemporary conveniences, such as smartphones, Wi-Fi, and AC power supply systems. Tesla's portfolio was not confined to tangible inventions. It also spanned secretive pursuits, the Egyptian pyramids being one of his most fervent obsessions. At the tender age of 20, he also was resolved to unravel the truth about these monoliths, dedicating his life to this compelling enigma. The Egyptian pyramids, magnificent and cloaked in mystery, have drawn the fascination of countless individuals throughout history. Each pyramid, a staggering compilation of approximately 2.5 million stone blocks, weighs nearly 6 million tons. Even a cursory glance or a cursory read about these structures suggests hidden secrets waiting to be discovered. Some of these secrets are entwined with the revolutionary theories and technologies introduced by Nikola Tesla, including the belief that pyramids possess inherent power-generating capabilities. Despite the common perception of pyramids as ancient pharaohs' tombs, the conspicuous absence of mummies within these structures is quite perplexing. The Valley of the Kings houses a substantial number of mummies, while the pyramids are completely devoid of any Egypt-originated artwork or inscriptions, which begs the question, who built these giant, colossal edifices, and for what purpose, if not as temples or tombs? The mystery continues to deepen. Nikola Tesla, after extensive research on these ancient structures, postulated that the pyramids harbored immense energy reserves. Upon the first encounter with electricity, Tesla speculated about the pyramids concealing a futuristic technology. He felt drawn towards the hypothesis that the pyramids' mysterious power stemmed from electromagnetic fields, manipulated by crystal energy, and that their secret chambers served a similar purpose. He also proposed that the materials of the Great Pyramid captured and stored energy from celestial bodies like the sun and the moon. Tesla concluded that the pyramid was likely engineered to generate an energy field potent enough to power surrounding cities. In 1905, Tesla filed a patent application in the United States titled The Art of Transmitting Electrical Energy Through the Natural Medium. The patent outlined a system of global generators to harness energy from the ionosphere. To Tesla, Earth's magnetic poles were akin to the coils of a gigantic electrical generator. He designated his proposed triangular structure as Tesla's electromagnetic pyramid, initially referred to as Tesla's pyramid. He also proposed that the pyramid's energy originated more from their geographical positions rather than their shapes. Tesla envisioned constructing a towering facility to serve as the city's powerhouse, now known as the Tesla Experimental Station, located at the base of Pikes Peak in Colorado Springs. This building is also referred to as the Tesla Tower and Warden Cliff Tower. Inspired by the Giza Pyramid's alignment with the planet's elliptical orbit through the equator, Tesla erected the East Coast Pyramids. The design of the tower was influenced by his musings on the Earth's potential signal conductivity. Tesla was really confident that his prototype could transmit and receive infinite data and energy. Following his mysterious demise in 1943, his invention and its origin were forgotten. Nevertheless, Tesla's groundbreaking work continues to resonate through the ages. His theories about the pyramid's power have stimulated scholarly interest, leading to the revelation of many fascinating insights. Perhaps we have yet to fully grasp Tesla's enigmatic endeavor to illuminate the pyramid's secrets. Is it possible that he was hinting at an ancient power more potent than we've ever imagined? To delve deeper into this conundrum, we got to explore Tesla's fascination with numerology, particularly with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed that these numbers held a mystical significance, with their patterns echoing across the cosmos. Star formations, evolution, and various natural phenomena. Tesla's intrigue with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 stemmed from their association with the pyramid's shape and inherent mathematical principles. These numbers, in his view, formed the pillars of a universal mathematical language, leading him to incorporate them into his actions and his routines. Tesla's fascination with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were rooted in his belief that they held profound significance and hidden symbolism. According to Tesla, these numbers were very closely tied to the fundamental principles of the universe, echoing the geometric structure of the pyramid and embodying the essential mathematical concepts. As a result, Tesla incorporated these numbers into his daily routines and his actions, perceiving them as foundational pillars of a universal mathematical language. Imagine if you had a special rule about how you like to do things, like always eating 3 cookies instead of just 1 or 2? Well, Tesla had some rules like this. He loved the number 3 so much that he'd walk around a building 3 times before going inside. He even lived in a special room, number 3327, because if you add up all those numbers, you get the number 15. And if you add the 1 and the 5 together, you get 6, which is 2 3s. Tesla also loved the numbers 6 and 7 because 6 can be made by adding 3 plus 3, and 7 can be made by adding 2 plus 3. He only slept for 3 hours each night and always used 18 napkins to clean his silverware and dishes before eating. Do you know what's special about the number 18? If you add 1 and 8, you get 9, which is 3 3s. That sounds like a lot of paper waste. But when Tesla talked on the phone, he always wanted 3 people to be there with him. He liked his math problems to have answers that could be divided by 3. This would seem strange to us, but to Tesla these were very important rules. You know how when you add numbers together, like 1 plus 1 equaling 2, or 2 plus 2 equaling 4? Well, in a special type of math called vortex math, if you keep adding the same numbers together, you're gonna keep getting the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, and 5. But the numbers 3, 6, and 9, they don't follow that pattern. They're unique, just like Tesla's special rules. The ancients often sought to emulate the natural forms that they observed in their architectures. Given Tesla's fascination with these numbers, could the Great Pyramids have served as a metaphor in his numerological pursuits? Evidence of advanced technology in the pyramid's construction lies in its sheer enormity. The Great Pyramid of Giza, comprising approximately 6 million tons or 2.5 million cubic yards of stone, reaches a height of 481 feet, spanning over 13 acres of land. Remarkably, this edifice is aligned to true north with a margin of error of less than 1/5 of a degree. The base of the pyramid is remarkably flat, with a deviation of merely 3/4 of an inch. Each side, extending over 755 feet, aligns with its adjacent sides within 2 inches. Notably, each pyramid side's slight concavity is discernible only from an aerial perspective, or when the pyramid casts shadows during equinoxes. It is possible that the ancient Egyptians had a great understanding of the size of the Earth when they built the pyramids. They used a simple method to estimate the Earth's dimensions. By multiplying the height of the Great Pyramid by a number of 43,200, they got a result that was really close to the Earth's polar radius, which is the distance from the Earth's center to its north or south pole. So the result was accurate to about 99.7%. Similarly, they multiplied the perimeter of the base of the Great Pyramid by the same number, and the result was close to the Earth's equatorial circumference, which is the distance around the Earth at the widest point near the equator. This estimate was accurate to be about 99.3%. So it seems that the ancient Egyptians had a remarkable understanding of the Earth's dimensions, and they were able to incorporate that knowledge into the construction of the pyramids. Though it is noteworthy that the Great Pyramid's alignment with the cardinal directions doesn't exactly match 360 degrees, it's important to remember that the structure was built by living people millennia ago. Thus, the slight deviation can be forgiven. But the question persists. How did these ancient builders estimate the size of the Earth? It's well documented that ancient societies held a peculiar fascination with equinoxes. During the equinox, the sun's ecliptic path crosses the equator, creating a day and night of equal length. Both day and night during an equinox last precisely 43,200 seconds. Despite the very compelling parallels, many skeptics dismiss the connection between the equinox and the Earth's diameter. Glenn Dash, an engineer, rebuffed the idea that the Egyptians could have used the sun's shadow or the pole star to align the pyramids. Instead, he suggested that their precise alignment could be attributed to their design around the autumnal equinox. Fascinatingly, the pyramid's geometry, coupled with Tesla's numerological obsessions, adds another layer of intrigue to the mystery of these ancient structures. The number 43,200, both the number of multiples of 3, 6, and 9, and linked to the duration of the equinox, adds a dimension of cosmic significance to the pyramid's construction. So, we're left to ponder. Could Tesla's fascination with these numbers and his subsequent theories about the pyramids be an attempt to unlock a universal language or a cosmic power source? Was the Great Pyramid of Giza a testament to the mathematical and astronomical prowess of a civilization we barely understand? Or was it a beacon, signaling us to a yet undeciphered truth about our universe? For centuries, the equinox has been observed, revered, and recorded, but its role as a synchronization instrument was largely overlooked due to the presumption of needing higher precision. However, a shift in this mindset emerged with the work of Dash, who painstakingly demonstrated the informational value of the equinox, challenging conventional wisdom. His monumental revelation was revealed during the autumnal equinox of 2016, when Dash highlighted the smooth curve traced by the gnome's shadow. Utilizing a long string wrapped around a pole, Dash managed to intercept 2 points of the curve by the end of the day. The Indian Circle method produced an almost flawless straight line spanning from east to west. Dash's discovery, while exhibiting a negligible margin of error, was nevertheless consistent with the deviation observed in the alignment of the Great Pyramids of Giza. The astronomical latitude 30, situated halfway between the equator and the North Pole, holds a unique importance. The pyramids, through their alignment with the equinoxes and their reflection of Earth's exact dimensions, seem to be in cosmic conversation. This illustrates the advanced technological prowess of the ancients, who built the Great Pyramid with an infinitesimal deviation of 0.05 degrees. Despite their use of triple and hexagonal symmetry, 3 pyramids perfectly align with the Orion constellation. The number 43,200, symbolizing the Earth's axial rotation, holds prominence in various mythologies and religious texts, including the Jewish Kabbalah, which describes God with 72 names, the number of languages spoken at the Tower of Babel. The Hindu Rig Veda, consisting of 432 syllables, aligns with the harmonic frequency of 432 Hz, believed to hold the ideal resonance for music. This numeric symmetry, discovered only recently, suggests a mathematical language used by the ancient Egyptians. The Great Pyramid's dimensions, when multiplied by, again, 43,200, astonishingly equal Earth dimensions, hinting at a conscious design, right? The gradual wobble of Earth's axis over 25,920 years alters the orientation of the extended North Pole, possibly pointing the way to distant star systems. At the heart of this lies the question of the pyramid's capacity to generate and store energy. The construction materials, including limestone, were sourced from faraway quarries. The white tufa limestone, which constitutes the Great Pyramid's outer walls, is an excellent electrical insulator, while the interior was built with an electrically conductive material. The building blocks contained crystals and metals in minute quantities, both of which can transmit vast amounts of energy due to their unique properties, which raises intriguing parallels with Tesla's tower, which also utilizes the principles of wireless power transmission. In 2018, studies were conducted to explore the pyramid's energy potential. Researchers transmitted radio waves of varying frequencies to the pyramids and made a remarkable discovery. They found concentrated zones of electromagnetic energy within the pyramid and directly beneath its base, particularly noticeable at distances of about 200 meters. In his 2019 paper titled Large-Scale Thermoacoustic Generator, Eric Wilson describes how specific rocks capable of absorbing vibrations caused by electron movement could potentially power the pyramid. This innovative approach combines scientific knowledge with musical composition to harness energy, leading to a potentially boundless supply of clean energy. However, the exact source of this energy remains unknown. Tesla's Warden Cliff Tower, located above an aquifer, utilized atmospheric conduction for global power transmission. Similarly, the Great Pyramid of Giza operates on a comparable principle, with the discovery of copper pipes and iron rods at the site. The pyramid's golden crown of the granite stones inside enable the construction of electricity, facilitating power generation. This concept, known as physioelectricity, revolves around generating electricity from various sources, like walking and the flow of underground aquifers, forming the basis for the pyramid's energy production. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the past, intriguing correlations emerge between the Pyramid of Giza and the Warden Cliff Tower. Despite being built in different areas, these structures seem to embody a shared principle of harnessing natural energy. Both pyramids feature gold adorning their apexes, a highly conductive material, while the central granite serves as a pivotal element for energy transmission and reception. This ingenious combination may have facilitated power generation without the need for physical connections, reminiscent of Tesla's version of wireless power. In a 2018 study, researchers explored the pyramid's potential as an energy distributor. They subjected the pyramids to radio waves of diverse frequencies to observe their reaction to resonant electromagnetic waves. To their absolute astonishment, they discovered intense zones of electromagnetic energy concentration within the pyramid's interior chambers and directly beneath its base. Scientists believe that radio waves between 200 and 600 meters in length could incite resonances, with the effect being particularly pronounced at distances of about 200 meters. In his 2019 paper, Large-Scale Thermoacoustic Generator, Eric Wilson, again, our man, proposed a groundbreaking idea. He explained how scientific rocks, including granite, can absorb vibrations caused by electron movement within the rock and their subsequent emergence on the rock's surface. Wilson suggested that the pyramid was engineered using a combination of scientific knowledge and musical composition, utilizing the moon's gravity. This revolutionary concept holds the potential for an unlimited supply of clean energy. Nevertheless, the origin of this energy remains an enigma, and this is where Tesla's work becomes relevant once again. Tesla's strategic decision to build the Wardenclyffe Tower above an aquifer, emitting negative ions into the atmosphere, was a stroke of genius. The tower employed copper and iron rods suspended in the lake for atmospheric conduction, enabling the transmission of electrical power globally. To harness this energy, receivers needed to be constructed. Essentially, Tesla envisioned transferring energy from the ionosphere to Earth using vibration, which could then be utilized by various receivers. A similar principle is believed to have been employed in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This architectural marvel is situated above an aquifer, and evidence of copper pipes and iron rods have been discovered inside. The capstone of each pyramid, made of gold, and the believed flow of electricity through the space once occupied by the Nile, indicates that the granite stones within the pyramid served as conductors. These conductors would channel the electricity upward, toward the golden crown of the pyramid. The pyramid's design and the mechanism of pumping water into the lower chambers and then out again could have caused the pyramids to vibrate, perfectly tuned to resonate with the king's chamber. The absolutely fascinating parallels between the Pyramid of Giza and the Wardenclyffe Tower unveil as we delve further into this mysterious past of ours. Despite the distinct historical context, both structures share a common thread of harnessing natural energy. The utilization of gold as a conductor and the strategic placement of conductive materials like copper and iron rods demonstrate a remarkable understanding of electricity transmission. These ingenious engineering feats allow for the generation of power without the limitations of physical connections. Kinda echoing Tesla's vision for wireless energy transfer before he had it. So I guess they echoed him. Or he echoed them. Yeah, whatever. Devices in the king's chamber converted the electromagnetic energy through geomechanical vibrations in sync with the Earth's energies. This mirrors Tesla's system of wire-free electricity distribution, which was also predicated on Earth's resonance. Furthermore, the energy generated by either the tower or the pyramid would be both infinite and renewable. So, yeah. The pyramids are not just ancient tombs, in fact they might not even be tombs, but also powerful energy generators. Could Tesla have been right? What other secrets do the pyramids hold? Let us know in the comments section down below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. And also, are we ever going to stop talking about the pyramids? I mean, I think they're great and fascinating and all that, but dude, we've been hammering away at this mystery for so long and it's still a mystery. Wild, man. Okay, have a good one, guys. Bye.